What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today I'm going to show you how I used relative weakness to spot an awesome short opportunity in Tesla and nail it out of the park. Check it out. Yesterday was the 22nd. Here you see the open yesterday on Tesla. A big old drop. A big old drop, right? That's what we saw yesterday on Tesla. This big old drop. Quick pop red to green, and then boom, it got slammed back down. Here you go. And you can see all of yesterday's action on Tesla leading into the close. Okay, that's yesterday's Tesla's action. You see how you had the red to green move on Tesla, then a big old drop all the way down here, make a brand new low of day. Then it just traded all day long underneath VWAP. All day long underneath VWAP. Okay. Now, what I want you to notice is that we had the big drop. We had actually talked about this in pre-market yesterday, and we said 730 would be an area of, to look for a bounce play. Well, not necessarily a bounce play, but to cover the short we were looking to get yesterday on Tesla. And sure enough, you see 730 hits, it bounces off a little bit, and then look at the sell-off that ensues. It's just crazy, right? Major weakness, increasing volume as we drop down and make new lows. All good signs that Tesla was very weak. Now, I didn't base this swing trade solely off of this Tesla chart. Not at all. I came on over here, and I explained all this in the afternoon when we entered. And I was looking at the SPY yesterday, right? Yesterday, February 22nd, looking at the SPY. And this was the SPY's action yesterday. We had the gap down. We had the bounce. And I want you to notice that not only did the SPY move higher throughout the day on weakish and very weaker volume, okay? Not only did it do that, and I told you guys, watch for SPY to roll over in the afternoon based off of that, but while the SPY was going higher, Tesla was going lower, showing you relative weakness in the stock. And because of that relative weakness, I thought to myself, Tesla had further downside today. Why? Because as the SPY goes higher, Tesla was going lower. And then in the afternoon, as the SPY went lower and went red on the day, Tesla went even lower. Check it out. You see Tesla, SPY going higher, Tesla going lower. SPY starts to go lower and red on the day. Tesla absolutely gets demolished. That right there was like, Jesse, you have to look to swing trade some put options on Tesla. Last night at 7:50 p.m., I was tempted to run over here to my computer and actually grab some shorts on the stock itself. I didn't because it was just not gonna, I didn't have enough time. It was like 7:55. By the time I opened the computer and all that stuff, I wasn't gonna have time. If not, I would have. And I don't like to swing trade short. I'll swing trade put options, right? But I generally don't like to swing trade short the shares themselves. But I was gonna do it last night because it just showed so much weakness, right? Intraday Tesla was weak. When coupled with the SPY's action, Tesla showed relative weakness, right? The volume profiles, everything indicated that Tesla was going to probably gap down today. You came on over here and you just saw on the daily that we blew yesterday, right? Not only did we hold the 50-day as resistance, but we blew through every single potential support zone, okay? On an increase in volume on the daily. Where did Tesla find support today? At the 100-day moving average. Nonetheless, we come on over here, go pre-market action. You get the gap down on Tesla. It just trades sideways all morning, pulls in lower. And then right off the bell, it just falls completely out of bed all the way down here to $619. Now, I booked my profits right in here for a 200% gain. I mean, come on. Who's not going to book that kind of profit, right? 200% gain, I'll take it off the table any day. You know what it is to wake up in the morning and be up 200%? That's amazing. I'm going to take it for sure. For sure. Especially with these brokers having as much issues as they were having. I even had a lot of trouble exiting that position this morning because of broker glitches. Guys, before we move any further, do me a quick favor. Check out the link in the description section and comment section below. You'll find 5 days for $5. You can check us out at thedaytraderchatroom.com. Get access to live chat, courses, resources, and video lesson library. So make sure you check that out. Also, Webull down there as well. You download the app, fund your account with $100, and you get 2 free stocks. And I did not want to get stuck in something like this because it's possible. As a matter of fact, I've had similar trades before solely based off of the Tesla chart itself, and Tesla the next day gaps down, sells off a little bit, sells off tremendously the prior day during after hours, only to have it rally right into 930 and then boom, and then the trade either break even or red, right? So I was not about to let something like that happen to me. So I took profits off as soon as the bell rang and we came down here on the second candle here 6 minutes in. I was like, okay, boom, I'm out. And I booked that profit. But what I want you to notice is the amount of technical analysis I did here. You notice no fancy indicators, nothing crazy. All I have on there is VWAP, 9 AMA, and on my dailies I have the big moving averages, 50, 200, 100. But I based this trade off of the SPY's action in correlation with Tesla showing relative weakness on the day, increasing volumes every time it dumped. It just made complete sense that we'd get a gap down. And if you noticed on the daily chart, every time it gapped up, you know, you're talking about 20, 30 points, at a minimum 10 points gap ups. If we were going to gap down today, we were looking at least 10 points gap down, so we would have booked some good profit on that put option. I mean, we gapped down way more because we got short, let's say, via these puts up here at 714, and we took profits on Tesla down here at 660, 650s. So that's a whole lot more than 10 to 20 points. So congratulations, guys, for those of you who followed along. That was an awesome play and a great way to start, the middle of the week because it's Tuesday. So that's it. We're basically starting off almost the middle of the week already. So congratulations on that. And now we just want to make sure we conserve those profits, trade smart, and manage our risk accordingly. All right, good work today. Everyone was green in chat. I mean, we killed it. We killed it. So everybody's accuracy is amazing. And I do have today's individual pull. And I'll bring that one here into frame for you. Nope, this is yesterday's individual pull. Here you go. Today's individual pull. 66% of traders green, 33% of traders did not trade, and I don't blame you on a bloody day like today. Today was a little bit more of an advanced day, but a great day to learn, and I want to congratulate everybody. Good job today, guys. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video and got a good lesson from it. Let me know your thoughts or questions in the comment section below. Remember to smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'll catch you on the next one.